In this video, you'll learn how to set your working hours on Wecasa. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to establish your availability and manage your schedule effectively as a Wecasa professional. Begin by completing your registration as a Wecasa professional. Navigate to the Wecasa website and find the registration section. Here, you will need to apply by providing your certifications. Once you submit your application, it will be reviewed and you will receive a notification regarding your approval to join the Wecasa network. After receiving approval, the next step involves setting up your availability preferences. During the onboarding process, you will be prompted to choose your preferred working hours. This is crucial as it determines when you are available for job offers. Additionally, you will need to select your travel zones, which are the areas you are willing to work in. Make sure to choose zones that are convenient for you. Once your availability preferences are set, you will need to download the Wecasa Pro app. This app is essential for your work as it is where you will receive job offers from clients. Go to your device's app store, search for Wecasa Pro and install the application. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth download process. After installing the app, log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will be able to manage your availability on an ongoing basis. You can accept or decline job offers based on your schedule. It's important to note that you have complete flexibility in this aspect. There is no exclusivity required, allowing you to maintain your independence. As your schedule changes, you can easily adjust your availability within the app. This feature allows you to stay fully independent and choose when you want to work. Regularly check your availability settings to ensure they reflect your current preferences, allowing for seamless job management. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.